What up? Alright guys, so this Y splitter is actually a really nice one. You see it, it's not like cheaply made whatsoever. I only wish that it was just a little bit longer, but other than that, it works absolutely fabulous. I got it for my boys because they're always wanting, like when they're on the laptop or whatever, they're wanting, you know, I'm telling them to turn the sound down. They have to like put one set of like earbuds in, and then each one has one and the other has the other. So instead, I got this splitter, and it has made life in this household so much easier. There's no fighting, there's no, you know, one turning their head and ripping it out of the other one's ear. There is none of that. So, this part right here just goes right in your phone, and it will snap all the way in there, or your laptop or whatever. And then this one will go in here, and it will again snap all the way in there. See? And then the same for this side right here. And music is evenly distributed too. It doesn't like the music, like the sound doesn't like get really dim, because I had one that if you only had one set of headphones in it, then it was fine. But if you had two, the sound wasn't very loud at all. So, and I don't know why that was. It didn't matter if the volume was all the way up on the laptop or the phone or whatever. It still would be dim, like lighter or whatever. Not as loud as what it would be if it was just one. But with this one, it doesn't matter. It's still loud. Just as loud as what it would be with one. So, and it's called a Y splitter because it looks like a Y. And it's the cord, the way it's made, it's like it's got like a rubber casing on it, so it keeps it from getting like kinked up and getting shorts in it or whatever. So, but it is really made my life so much easier. So anybody that's got kids or, you know, whatever, gamers, you know, you got a teenager that's a gamer, these things are great. You know, they got, you know, their friend over so they can both hear, so that way it's not so loud, you know, that it's interfering with you, whatever. So, it's not expensive and it works fabulous. So yeah, guys, peace.